At 5 in the afternoon, this is Bali. It's 6 a.m. in the morning and I can't sleep. This stupid coughing is keeping me awake. I keep coughing like every second and I can't stop it. I feel like I have no energies in my body right now to push hard or doing some exercise or sports in an intense way. I did a hike yesterday, but it was like very easy to do, so not super something. They did a blood test and also I got like lots of medication actually. This is for my skin irritation. Something against my coughing. It's like a syrup. Another antibiotic and multivitamins. Everything here I should take after eating something. So in the evening and it's getting cold here. First time in a long time in Asia that I'm feeling actually cold. After I stayed the last night, it was beautiful. Just the rice fields and me here. I had a lovely chat this morning with the owner of the place. He is building these huts completely on his own. The toilet, for example, is like a compost toilet. So after you're done in the toilet, you put on some mixed shredded wood. There is basically a little bit of electricity for like lights up and down. And you have hot water, which is really nice. So you can get like tea or coffee here and even take a warm shower in there. I thought of all the water here, it's gonna be a big problem with mosquitoes. I had a lovely night, only could hear like the water, the fields, a little bit of wind and frogs. And the frogs apparently are the reason there are mosquitoes in the area, because they eat everything in the water or nearby. I like the treehouse vibe, so you have like a beautiful view down the rice fields here. Back to Ubud. I really miss this place, the traffic especially.